Hey guys, just back on the Nissan. While I'm working on it, I'm gonna change the air filter, or the intake air filter. Just showing a quick video on how to get it out. Simple stuff. Two 10mm bolts, one there, or Phillips head screwdriver. Comes out pretty easy. Just unscrew them left loose. As you can tell, mine are already loose. But anyway, once you get this loose, it just pulls up simple, and then comes out. And comes out like that. Just comes out in a piece. There's your air filter right there, your intake air filter. Two clips. Comes off real easy. Just pull it up. There it is. Simple replacement. Just pull it out if you can. Just comes out. Just get something to pry it out, or just get it out. In my case, I'll probably just bang it out. It's not too bad, as long as you could see through it. Yeah, you could see through that one pretty good. So I'm just gonna bang it out, bang the dust out of it. It's not too bad. It's pretty good. So yeah, simple air filter, your intake. And there is two little clips here. Make sure you clip those in on the bottom, right there. One there, one there. When you're putting it back in, just make sure you get those two clips in. Pull these clips back or whatever. Yeah, then it just clips in there. It's kind of weird, but once you get it in, it's not bad. Yeah, but yeah, it goes back together the same. The two 10mm bolts go in. 2011 Nissan Altima 2.5 liter. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.